This is Lisa here. It's time for another junk journaling lesson from our winter birds junk journal that we've been working on for a while now. And this is lesson number 8. So video number 8. And I have a really fun craft today for you guys. And I'll show you what we did. Do you guys remember what we did last time? We did, let's see, where were we? Right here. We did this page, and we did this page last time when we were here. And I was just making sure that you guys remember what we did for this. This is a cute little pull out, and this is a really cute little, little pocket thing that we made. And so for today, we're going to be working on, let's see, this page, and in here, we're going to be working on these pages in here. So let's get started. Okay, you guys remember when I was showing you that I had those cutouts from different things, and I showed you that there was a cutout of this. It was on one of my pages here. And I just took my pinking shears and I just cut out around it this really pretty leaf. And I thought what I would do is just glue it on here. I thought that would look cool as a tuck spot or something. And I'm going to use my frayed burlap, and I'm going to like darken it in a little bit where the white is so that it kind of blends in a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and do this. So, how are you guys doing? Oh, it's been a busy day today. I'm running around and doing crazy things today, and I'm just going to go ahead and color this in with my distressing ink, my frayed burlap. Put this in here. This is going to be so pretty. I just love these old looking like winter branches. It's just so pretty. Okay, all right. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to glue that down on my music paper, and I think I'm going to just glue just from these edges down, probably just the bottom part, this bottom part. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just start here and just, because I want to have like a little bit of a tuck spot here. Let me see, that's all right. I'm gonna put this on here like that. It looks just so pretty, you know. It blends in. I love the look of it with the paper, the music paper. It's very cool. Okay, let's go ahead and put our clips on here. Clip this down a little bit. Okay, so I want that on that side, and then on this side, I have this really cute paper. This I'm going to cover over the music paper on this. Yeah, I need to maybe make it smaller or something. I don't know yet. Oh, let's see. You know, it fits pretty well. It does. It fits pretty well. And so first off, what I'm going to do is I have this really cute picture here. It has a little flap on the back of it. I'm going to ink it up and show you what I'm going to do with this. Okay, I'm going to take this and I'm going to glue it on the back of here. Let's glue it right down on this, on the edge of this paper. Like that. Just going to glue it right down. Okay, glue it down. And then I'm going to glue this whole page on the back of this paper here. Okay, so how I'm going to do it is I'm going to just go ahead and glue the back of this page here and glue it onto the music paper. And this is just going to make the music paper a little stiffer than what it is right now because it's a little bit flimsy. And I don't really like it when it's flimsy, okay? So, now that's probably dry on there. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to go ahead and glue it on here very gently. Glue it on, okay? Like this. And what's interesting about it is that it's cute. It's really cute because it's got this little card. So when you open it up, it's like a little, you know, you can write in here or whatever, and it kind of like a flip out. It's kind of cute. I'm going to go ahead and ink that too. It's kind of interesting how I put it together and made it look like a little flip out like that. It's pretty cool. And let's see. So you guys can see how I'm doing here. Okay, and what, you know what I might do is I might put some paper under here, like a piece of paper, maybe some lined paper, and maybe put it on here or something. Let's see, I've got I'm going to fold it in half. That. I got my bone folder. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. I'm going to do it this way. Put this on here and I'm going to draw around it. Then I'm going to cut it out. Oop. Just like that. I'm going to cut this out. And I'm going to glue it on the back of that flap. So it's a little bit of some journaling space there. You can make it look pretty. Okay. And when you do this, when you want to trace it, you want to trace it on the wrong side because you want this to go right on there. And so I'm just going to head and glue. I'm going to take off a little more on the edge here because it's like right not up to the. There we go. Shoot a little bit tighter here. Okay. And I'm going to glue that right in there. Hope you guys can see me. Really making sure I'm in frame here. Okay, go ahead and put this right on there. Make sure it's on there pretty even. Okay. And okay. All right. Now there's a little bit of white on the edges that's showing, and I'm going to just gently just get a little bit, give it a little bit of inking to kind of cover that white part that might be showing out here and all that. Okay, I got a mark on it, a pencil mark there. Get it off here. There we go. Okay, so that looks kind of cute. And let me see. I'm gonna put a paper clip maybe to hold it. One of these. I got these kind of rusty, gray looking paper clips. Are really cool. And then this is just a little page. Okay. All right. Do that. Okay. So we have this so far. We have this, and it folds out. And then on this here, I wanted to put this another piece of that little twig that I got from. I cut this little twig off of this because it was a part of here. And I want to go ahead and ink this up and make it darker. How we normally do it. You know how we normally do it. Okay. Gonna get up. Like that. Okay. And I'm gonna glue it here. I think it looks cute right there. Let's go ahead and glue this on. We'll find out where we want to put this. Okay, I'm going to just put it right here. There. Looks really neat on that music paper. Looks really cute. And this is like a little layout here. Kind of cute. You know, here's some more extra paper for journaling and everything. And I think it looks really pretty with the doily in there. It's really cute. And so that's that layout. And that is the end of lesson or video number 8. And it's a pretty simple one. We just did a few little things here, but you know what, the book looks it's coming along really well. I'm really happy about it. It's coming along really nice, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos and commenting. It's just really sweet. And but anyway, that is it for today. I have another craft lined up for tomorrow or the next day, and be sure to catch me here. If you get a chance, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. I read all your comments, and I just appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you later. Bye!